At Walt Eger Service Center, we take pride in the fact that we fix only what needs to be fixed. We use the highest quality parts, and we also have the latest technology. In fact, our technicians have over 100 years of combined experience, and we continue to train them year after year. So for me as the owner, I feel great in the fact that we can offer our customers a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. And it gives them peace of mind that we're going to stand behind the work, and I know that we're doing the right thing for our customers.
I'm going to go left here.
We believe in building trust through transparency, so we've invested heavily in digital inspections, where we send pictures and video directly to your phone to show you what's wrong with your vehicle. That way you can make the most informed decision for your family and their safety. We have a lot of the same things that the dealer has. We've got a nice clean waiting area, we've got clean restrooms, free Wi-Fi. In fact, we're in the free shuttle right now. I drive it myself many times. And we've also got a handful of free loaner cars. We try very hard to make it convenient for our customers. We understand that your time is valuable, so we offer quick turnaround time for your vehicle. And on top of that, we've got great coffee. I've got my plug here. If you're watching this video, you're probably only a few miles from the shop. When you're ready for a dealer alternative, call or click today to schedule your next service. And don't forget, we have great coffee.